Top government sources tell Times now that all the governors appointed by the UPA are not going to be shunted out. In fact, sources are adding that there is a strong reason behind removing governors of the 5 states and the president has been briefed about it.
No, we do not want to make it a public debate because it is a constitutional post. Whatever the government does should be constitutional, and beyond that we do not want to say anything on that issue. It is not a party issue at all. They are holding constitutional positions, and so it is not Congress party's issue. It is, we are not going to enter into a debate on this issue. They may be debating, others may be debating on this issue, but we do not want to join issue on this governor's issue.
Bharatiya Janata Party never indulges in petty politics on the gubernatorial post of the governors. We respect the post of governors and also the dignity involved with their post. It is for Congress party to introspect that in 2004, the then Home Minister Mr. Shivraj Patil held a press conference and removed 4 governors who belonged to Bharatiya Janata Party in the past on the charges of ideological allegiance.
This is a constitutional issue. I think some politics is being brought into it. On this issue, there are precedents to be followed, court judgments are there, traditions to be followed. I think we should leave it to that.
So those are the political reactions that we are getting in. Let's also get in Nandita for more details. Now, Nandita, we are hearing 3 names, M.K. Narayanan, B.V. Wangchu and Sheila Dikshit. So what really is the NDA planning to do? Investigations into the Augusta Westland and Jal Board case, is that going to be the reason for, putting this ground to shunt them out now?
Well, those are the indications that are coming from the central government. They're saying that these are not, malicious moves by the government to just take resignations for no reason of these governors, but there are pending cases and grounds for, corruption cases against certain governors. And even though, they've not named, but it's quite clear that it is going to be Sheila Dikshit, M.K. Narayanan, as well as Mr. Wangchu, whose names have appeared in several different cases even before the elections. So, the thrust of the government is quite clear that those who are likely and can be investigated in corruption cases, our focus is going to be on the removal of these governors. Sources in the Congress though tell us that the Home Secretary has had no business calling them up, and if there are political reasons for the removal, then these governors are going to wait for written orders, and a mere phone call from the Home Secretary is not going to be enough for them to quit their posts.